is not good in communication, trust me, you're going to suffer. Even if the deal is too good, if they are not communicating very well with you, just leave them, find another supplier. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elena Diambo, for those who do not know. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to ship your products from China to Kenya. So in today's video, I'm only going to give you the step by step. It's quite simple. And I'm doing this video because I struggled with this. So I went to YouTube and I did a lot of research. And imagine, it's so simple. You only need one video to know how to ship your products from Kenya to China. So this is the only video you need. So just take note of what I'm about to say. Okay, so first of all, you have to download the Alibaba app. This is how to ship from China to Kenya using Alibaba, because that is the only app I have tried using. So first you have to download the app, register the app, and then you have to go there and identify what you want to buy. And then you find suppliers, look for the price range. You have to know what you are looking for, and the price range and what you're willing to pay for the item. Okay, what you're willing to pay for the item. And then you also have to look at the minimum order quantity. The minimum order quantity is the number of items that you can purchase in wholesale. Some will have 1, others will have 3, others will have 50, others will have 20, others will have 100, even 1,000, depending on the supplier. So another option is you can Alibaba, the app has a filter. You can use it on your phone or on your laptop. It has a filter. You can filter the currency to Kenya shillings if you want to. You can also filter the minimum order quantity. And then another very important point to note is you have to look for verified suppliers and suppliers that have trade assurance. But from my experience, I have bought from suppliers that they are not verified suppliers. They do not have the verified mark, but I have received my items. So you have to check the communication of the supplier. How is the supplier talking to you? How are they communicating to you? Are they reliable? Okay, so once you have identified your supplier, you talk to them. You first introduce yourself. You have to be very courteous. You have to be very courteous. So you can go like, hi, for example, me. Hi, my name is Elaine. I'm from Kenya. I have a beauty shop in Kenya and I would like to purchase your items. And then you can go on and say, I have a shipping agent. Okay, because they will already see which country you're from. So you can go on and say, I have a shipping agent. Okay, so the supplier will respond to you according to what you want, and then ask for a catalog. They'll give you a catalog. A catalog is a list of the items that they have that they are selling, the different types of items with their prices. So you will choose, and then you'll tell your supplier what you want. And then also, it is good to ask for like a video of the item or extra pictures or something. So this is to know if the supplier really has the item and if the item looks exactly like the pictures. Okay, so after that, let's say you have found your supplier, you have found your item, you have identified your item, you're satisfied with how the item looks, you're happy with everything. And then now you will go on and share your shipping information. So you can just go to Instagram or first of all, you go to Google and look for a shipping agent. So for my case, I've been using Rolling Cargo. There are so many shipping agents. I will list them here. So you look for the shipping address to China. So you're shipping products from China to Kenya. So you look for the address in China where the supplier will ship your items to. Okay, so you can go, if you're using Rolling Cargo like me, and this video is not sponsored, obviously. If you're using Rolling Cargo like me, you can go to their page on Instagram and text them and ask them, hi, can I have your shipping address to China? They will send it to you immediately. It doesn't take long. After they send it to you, that is what you will send to your supplier. And then when you send when you send the shipping address to your supplier, you will also send them your shipping mark. Your shipping mark is your name, your full name, and your Kenyan phone number, so that when your item arrives in the warehouse in China, rolling cargo warehouse in China, they will be able to identify that this item is going to Kenya and it belongs to so and so. So when they receive the item, they will text you. And also ask your supplier to include if the shipping is by air or by sea. So after they have included all this information, rolling cargo will text you that they have received your item. It weighs this much. Yeah, they'll give you their airway bill number and it weighs this much. That's it. And then when your item arrives in Kenya, rolling cargo will text you with what you're supposed to pay, and also they will text you. They will call you and ask you where you want to pick your item depending on their location, and they also do doorstep deliveries. So when you get your item, ensure your item is at least above 1 kg if you're using rolling cargo, because less than 1 kg, the shipping is around, I think, is it $17? Yeah, $17 if it's less than a kg. So for 1 kg and above, the shipping is $13. Yeah. So they will text you the amount in Kenyan shillings. When you go to the office to pick up your item, you can pick up your item. So it's that simple. 1, identify your supplier. 2, talk to your supplier. 3, send them your shipping address. 4, send them your shipping mark. And 5, wait for your item. 6, go and pick up your item. Yeah, and then that's it. So let me just show you a few items that I have shipped in from China. This is one of them. And this handbag is available for sale on my Instagram page. I will leave my Instagram page down here. It's popupbags.ke. And we have this. We have this. This one is also available. So you can check out my page to see the colors I have and the items I have. These are just a few items that I have received. And then another tip, like I said, ensure that your supplier communicates very well with you, and ensure they send you a photo of your package, because there's a package I have not received up to date. I asked the supplier to send me a photo of the package. They didn't. They were just like, oh, it has been shipped, blah, blah, blah. Up to date, I have not received a message from rolling cargo, meaning the item has not reached their warehouse, or it reached their warehouse and they did not include my shipping mark. So there is no way of rolling cargo telling which item, who this item belongs to. So I have to follow up on that item. So ensure you get a picture of your package, and ensure your supplier is very good with communicating to you. If your supplier is not good in communication, trust me, you're going to suffer. Even if the deal is too good, if they are not communicating very well with you, just leave them. Find another supplier. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye, and have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.